mask, ear protection, gloves, Manzerna, Rouge, Zephyr Quick Cut. But I gotta change my sneakers real quick. What's up, everybody? This is going to be the only voiceover in this entire video. I just want to let the music roll out. I'm trying to make more and more of these videos in the winter time when I have a break from driving and I'm really focusing on detailing. I get to work super early in the morning at ROSEMAR. I usually get in by 4:45, 5 o'clock. Reason being, I'm almost 37 and I got to get in and do the hard work while my body's fresh in the morning. This took a lot out of me over the last 10 years. So I'm doing it for my boss. He helped me. I try to do the right thing in the wintertime the best I could. If I was 10 years younger, I'd be an animal right now, but let's see if I get myself into shape. It's pretty much trying to do these a little bit faster than last year. So I'm using a Zephyr Quick Cut, and I'm basically doing the cutting and quote unquote the coloring with the same buff, same rouge. It's really not coloring. I'm just trying to smooth out the hash marks and do everything as fast as possible. I have a lot of trucks to do at this company. He's got a really big fleet, and I'm just going to let it roll out. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment, and I will answer them as soon as I could. Thanks, guys. it's like a one step. The only thing that's not going to be perfect right now is the area in between the holes on the face, but that's easily fixed by just using the microfiber. As long as it's brand new and clean, you can just gently wipe it off dry. You'll get a little smudge of rouge off from where the pad caught the hole. The next step would be using the softened pad and feathering the trigger or using a variable speed to finesse the pad around the hole so you don't catch the rouge. This looks amazing. Hopefully the video came out good.